Well, hello, and welcome back to another incredible episode of Thrift Twists, the place where we go into our favorite secondhand shops on the hunt for inspiration and then head back home and make something very beautiful. I can't wait to see what we're going to make today. Let's go. Wow, you guys, check this out. Now, I know that this is a taco holder, but tell me that we could not do some sort of beautiful DIY with this wonderful blue color. Stuff is coming to me, y'all. You know I love to use an item in a way that it was not intended. $1.99 for this taco holder. Loving that. Let's see what else is over here. I don't know what that is, but check out this very on cue, patriotic candle holder. I think that's way cool. Now they're looking to get, that was upside down, you guys, $2.99 for that. It's a little bit pricey for me. But then I'm over here looking at somebody's DIY, right? I think this is somebody's DIY. I've got that feeling, right? $1.99. Yeah, I can see their glue, but that's still a very cute DIY. Something to consider in terms of like some sort of inspiration piece. Love that. Let's see what else we can find. Oh my goodness. I love when I find like crazy unique pieces. Look at this owl. Let me see his price here. He's $4.99. But look, what is he for? Look at that little slot at the top. Is he like he can't be a piggy bank. I don't even know what he's for. Maybe he's just for decoration. But he is very, very cute. Look at him. Very cute, very wise looking owl. Okay, guys. Now, you know I do love to look at the frames. Now, I found this, and it's not a frame, right? It's like some sort of table, I'm guessing, right? Like some sort of riser. If you guys see, that's got the kind of the legs down there at the bottom. Now they want $2.99 for this. I do love the pattern on this, and I'm wondering if I can use this to make an entirely different DIY. Is this my inspiration piece? Ooh, it might be, you guys. An idea just came to me. It might be my piece. Let's see if I grab this. Check these out, you guys. These immediately caught my eye. So there is a set of these delicious candle holders. Oh, Lord. They want $2.99 a piece for these. Now, that's a little spicy cake for me. But, you know, to grab both, because I would like to do them as a set. But they're coming across to me similar to that piece we just did recently with the black mirror. And so I'm kind of thinking of things that I could potentially do. I really like this kind of wood holder. Yeah, it's like a candle holder down there. So I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Maybe I should pick them up, but that $2.99 price is very spicy. Let me know if you guys would pay $2.99 for these. Check this out, you guys. I don't know. Oh my gosh, she's heavy. This is $4.99. Look at the size of it. You guys know I'm doing it one-handed, so I can barely catch it. But this thing is beautiful. And I don't know, there ain't no way that this heavy thing is being held by that paper clip. There is just no, I don't believe it. $4.99 for this beautiful piece. I love that. I love that. Let me see if I can find anything else, you guys. Oh my goodness. Check this out, you guys. Let me know if this is the kind of thing you guys are into. Let me move over to the side here, you guys, because I was right up underneath the speaker and it was giving me the business. But check this out. That is freaking beautiful. So they want $5.99 for it. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's one of those pieces where you put down the nail and then you kind of string the string. And it's a cardinal on a little branch with some holly. And it's on this kind of velvet. Somebody actually made this, you guys. Somebody actually made this back in 1982. Joshua Newman Jr. You freaking artist, you. I love it. Isn't that the coolest thing you've ever seen? I love it, you guys. I love it. Joshua, great work. $5.99, you guys. Check this out, you guys. Check it out. What in the world is this? It was hard for me to get it all into the frame, but $15.99 for this beautiful situation here. I don't even know. In my mind, by itself, it's incredible. You guys know I'd probably spray paint it black, right? But then we could maybe put a little scene or something in there. Like, I don't even know. Things are coming to my head. Let me know what you guys would do with this piece. Sorry, you guys, it's kind of loud in here, but yeah. Let me know what you guys would do with this piece. I need to know. Super, super beautiful. For $5.99, or sorry, $15.99. I think that's a pretty good deal. So here is the item that we chose as our inspiration piece. Let's head home and see what we come up with. Okay, so we chose this cute, inexpensive riser as our piece. And the very first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and obviously remove that tag. I have no idea why they put these on the front, and remove the legs. So now that I have it broken down to just this ovular piece of wood with this incredible design on it, I am going to add a little bit of paint just to give it a pop because it seemed a little unfinished to me. So if you've been with me for a while, you guys know how much I love the nautical rope that the Dollar Tree puts out. And this is what I'm going to use to help me pull this into a basket. Now I've used this rope before to make baskets, and I know that this is going to turn out beautifully. Let's get into it. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just going to start by getting the rope glued around the outside of our ovular wood piece, and then I'm going to start stacking the rope on top of each other with hot glue. Now the way this hot glue works, it's going to just kind of fuse with those fibers in the rope, and it's going to just work perfectly. So one of the things I like to do with my baskets is just a little extra step, right? It helps me feel like it's more finished, and I think it gives it a little bit more security. And that is, I just use a little tint. Right now I'm using some Waverly Antique Wax, and then I use a clear coat. You could also use Mod Podge, and I feel like this just gives it that extra pop, right? It gives that rope a tint of color, and that clear coat or Mod Podge, again, helps to secure this as a complete basket. So it had been a while since I have made a basket on the channel, and I love doing this. I cannot say enough, if you are someone who loves to DIY and craft, making a basket is so easy to do, and it's just such a rewarding thing, right? Having beautiful baskets like this that we can use for vignettes or place on top of trays and put things inside of, and just knowing that you made it yourself, super, super cool. So let me know if you guys love this basket in the comments.